I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add GIF to Mailchimp. First, ensure your GIF is ready. GIF can significantly increase engagement in your email campaigns. We'll cover the simple steps to upload and insert these animated images directly into your Mailchimp emails, making your messages more dynamic and visually appealing for your audience. Let's get started. To begin, open your Mailchimp email campaign and navigate to the content block where you wish to place your GIF. Click on the Browse button, which will open the Content Studio. From there, you can easily upload your GIF file directly from your computer. Mailchimp will then store it for use in your current and future campaigns. Once your GIF is uploaded to the Content Studio, simply drag and drop it into the desired location within your email template. You can then use Mailchimp's built-in editor to adjust its size and alignment to fit your design perfectly. Always preview your email across various devices to ensure the GIF displays correctly and looks great for all recipients. For the best results, aim to keep your GIF file sizes under 1 MB to ensure quick loading times for your subscribers. Use GIF strategically to complement your message, rather than overwhelm it. Always consider accessibility. Ensure your GIF add value without distracting from your core content. A well-placed GIF can truly elevate your email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.